name's Troy Linton, and I am the Managing Director of Coastal Health. Yes, well, first of all, I'm from the States, and I've been here in the UK since 2004. I've been in the industry, the food supplement industry, health food industry, since the early 90s. So I worked for a quite large contract manufacturer of food supplements in the 90s, moved here in 2004, and been in the industry ever since. In 2014, I wanted to get back to my roots and start another contract manufacturing company, similar to what I did in the States, but on a much smaller scale. So what we do is we do food supplement manufacturing to entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs could be selling on Amazon, they could be selling to health food stores, they could be selling through other social media channels. And what we do is we help them with the formulations, finalize those formulations, and then eventually we'll order in the raw materials, mix those raw materials, put the powder into capsules, encapsulate them, then put the capsules into tubs, pouches, bottles. So we do a full service, full turnkey service is really what you call it. And yeah. Yeah, it's a good question. We, in many cases, we'll go to health food trade shows, and we get ideas from there. We'll bring those back, speak to our customers, go back and forth with ideas. Sometimes they will bring ideas also, and what the idea is, or what the premise of the business is, we collaboratively bring ideas together, agree on ideas, work out a formula, and then the final product is the capsulation of the products into tubs, pouches, bottles, as I mentioned. And then really the idea of what we do is we let our customers focus on marketing, the resources on marketing and on people. And we then in hand will spend our money on machines. So they're the experts in marketing, we're the experts in manufacturing, and it creates an incredibly successful partnership. It's been amazing. So we've been here well, we have 2 units, but we've been here in the first unit since January, and it's been incredible. It's exactly what I envisioned it to do. And what I mean by that is first impressions in life mean a lot, and it's no different here. So when we bring in customers, suppliers, auditors, we get an amazing reaction from them. And that was the intention, not just the beautiful facility, not just the amazing people that I interact with here, that we bounce back and forth ideas with, but really it was to show the customers kind of where we were, where we're at now, and the vision for the future. So it's worked amazing, and as I mentioned also, is what's sort of mentioned on the top there, is that there's other small business owners here, and it's awesome to be able to bounce ideas back and forth with them too, because we're all, even though some people, I don't know, make whatever jam or whatever they do, what we have in common is we have similar parallels with the complexities of running a small business. Yeah, another good question. So what we plan on is we have 2 units in Attleboro, we have 2 units here, and what we want to do is within 3 years, we want to bring everything back under one roof, obviously a bigger place. So the idea is, and the vision is, which I also mentioned to my customers, is to build a bigger unit on site here, because we don't want to leave.